Good morning, almost afternoon. I've been hiking since 8 this morning. I'm headed towards that mountain, which is a 12,000 feet, as you can see. There's also a road somewhere down there. That's Highway 104 in Colorado. Not going very fast this morning, just because I know I have this big 12er, and I guess the climb is pretty steep. But I've been on a dirt bike trail, and as many of you know, probably, dirt bikers love to go up and down like little hills. Well, when I'm hiking on it, it's not as much fun, so that's what I've been doing all morning. Up and down, up and down. In the hiking world, that's called PUDs, or pointless ups and downs, so it's just silly, but I guess that's like the feature of this section in Colorado. You know, Colorado's like, all right, can't have it too easy. Gotta test you, push it to the limit, you know. There is going to be a lot of down trees like that on the trail after I do the climb, and that'll also slow me down according to the comments. My water carry is 9 miles because I already passed my water carry for the next 9 miles. So also carrying a little bit extra water. But yeah, you know, why wouldn't it die? Why wouldn't Colorado test us like this with something that's supposed to be going lower in altitude, which it is. I can feel the low altitude, but that just means that when it comes to climbing that 12er, I'll just have a steeper climb, you know? Why not? Had breakfast, had some Spam, a protein bar, chocolate, coffee with creatine. I'm trying creatine because I guess it's supposed to help, especially since I'm not having so much red meat on the trail. But yeah, last night was pretty good, slept pretty good overall. There was some comments about a deer being really like weird in that section, but I didn't hear it, see it, feel it, or anything. So I did do like 20 miles yesterday. I didn't realize it. I got to camp probably like at 8, so and started at 10. But yeah, 20 miles. So I don't know how many I'll do today. Depends how I feel after this climb. And then also yesterday, part of the reason was because there was really no other place to camp other than that was like the kind of first one to camp. So that's how I ended up doing 20 miles. But we'll see today. A little bit of clouds in the sky, as you can see, as usual. But that's normal for Colorado, I think. It was warm this morning, and last night was not cold at all, which felt really good. Waking up this morning and not having to be cold when I take off my blanket, so that was nice. But yeah, gonna keep. I made it to the crossing of the road, and there is the climb. But just like everything, I thought it was gonna be stay up high, but I didn't. I came back down, and because I was above these trees, and now I came down. But famous last words. That doesn't look too high, right? All right, I made it to the top. The clouds are officially over me. But that is where I came from. Over there, that valley. And then now I'm just gonna head down because it's gonna start to rain. Alright. Alright, so remember how I said it's not that big of a mountain. Oh, it's big. It's tall. Went all the way up there to that peak. There's two people coming down it right now that I passed because I was trying to beat the rain, but I don't know how successful I'm going to be at that because I'm headed up this way. And so it's kind of looking cloudy. But, whew, it's been a rough climb, I'll tell you that much. Especially with the rain, because I have to put on my coat, and so it makes me warmer, but, and the water carry and all that stuff, so. I don't know how many miles I'll do today, but again, there's not very many camping spots along the way because I'll be following a ridge here for like another 1.5 miles and then down, and so we shall see.